What's going on, everyone? This is Dustin from Wet Paint Auto Detailing. Today, just want to highlight these really beautiful BMW M3s that we have in. Just kind of want to talk about paint protection film. This is a regular customer of ours. They did a full body film on their BMW M5 with us a little while back. So this is a brand new M3 that they just got. So we're doing a full body protection film on it. This is a great way to just really preserve the paint and make sure that there's no road debris or anything that may kick up on the road and damage the paint. This is our shop car. This has a full body paint protection film on it as well. This is something that you can definitely swing by the shop, and this is usually out front. You can take a look at some of our work and what a full body install on a vehicle looks like. So something, if you had any questions, definitely swing by, check this vehicle out. We're just getting this one kind of finished up. This will go out a little bit later today, but yeah, this customer can enjoy their brand new BMW M3 CS with full body paint protection film on it. If you're looking to have any of this done, definitely give us a call, 916-918-2289. You can definitely swing by the shop right across from the Roseville DMV. Thanks for watching.